Hey, super windy, losing daylight. We got the Husky set up 100% full rate, 70% low rate. I've got a flap to elevator mix, half flaps, 11% down elevator, full flaps, 22%. That's been working for me on high wing birds. We got lights, vortex generators, and a big sturdy landing gear that will accept floats in the future. You have to check the website for that. If you want to get a Husky right now, they're on special. You can get them for, they're under 300 bucks. So they're closer to $200 with the special. So link in the description, or go to pilotryanmedia.com and click Hobby Zone. This is the Husky 1800mm 4S Power. We're gonna shake it down right now. Haha, let's go. Yeah. All right, man.
Rolling.
All right, look at it blowing backwards, guys. All right, low rate takeoff. Just easing in. That's half throttle. Low rates, no flaps, nice and clean. We're gonna just present. I'm gonna go high rate just in case I get in trouble. I'm going slow enough that I think I'll be fine. Wind really pushing her down. Look at these lights. We're gonna go right away and check our flat mix as well. So it already ballooned even with that down mix, but it's set to slow. So, oh my goodness. Half flaps, 11% down mix. It's windy, y'all. Look at this. No gyro or this thing would be totally locked. Look at those lights.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
I'm gonna go ahead and go full flaps. 4S power. This thing ought to fly forever. One more slow pass, and then I'm gonna show what it'll do with the power on side. Full flap regalia, high rates. The Husky first flew in, I think it was 1986. The model for us is just flying today, and this is a STOL capable aircraft. So I like the scheme, man. That's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, I knew I could do it,
There
man.
we go.
I just ruddered that baby, and there it is. So let's go STOL. Let's go full. Hey, there we go. We're gonna go full flaps and get up and out. You ready?
Yep.
Power.
Power hour.
All right, let's lose the flaps. Let's see some of its prowess now and performance aspect.
Oh yeah.
Guys want to talk about flying scale planes crazy? They can do whatever they want to do in their videos. We like having fun, and so sometimes this is what we do with them. Right, Bobby?
Oh yeah.
Dude!
Oh, it went right through the moon. That was cool.
Nice power. Dang, it's locked.
Yeah, that thing looks sweet.
This is high rate.
No gyro, right?
No gyro, dude.
That's awesome.
Look at all that rudder.